Hi, my name is John and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Advanced Vision Premium before actually buying this product. I also have some really important warnings to preserve your health, so pay really close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you must know about Advanced Vision Premium is that it's only sold on the official website. You cannot get it anywhere else, so be really careful and make sure you buy the original product from the official website because, unfortunately, a lot of people have been selling this product on non-official websites, and by purchasing this product on non-official websites, what the person actually receives is not the original product, and by not being the original product it can harm their health, and then they think that the product doesn't work and everything, when it actually does, so be really careful with that. And, to help you folks out, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out when you finish watching this video. So, you may be wondering, what is Advanced Vision Premium and if it actually works? And the answer is yes folks, Advanced Vision Premium works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula in Advanced Vision Premium with 9 carefully mixed plant extracts and vitamins, concentrated high-quality ingredients that targets the root cause of eyesight loss, weakens and destroys the toxic parasites that have been causing inflammation in your ocular system, and helps you recover 100% of your vision. Keep in mind that this product is completely safe to use and it's processed under strict, sterile and precise standards. Also, Advanced Vision Premium capsules are non-GMO and they are not habit-forming. Advanced Vision Premium has been tested and approved by thousands of 97,700 people from all over the world, and no one complained about side effects. So, if you're struggling with perfect eyesight, all you need to do is to take once a day easy to swallow capsule a day and you'll start to eyesight loss. So yes folks, you can definitely trust this product. There are many people out there having great results with Advanced Vision Premium, and you can also obtain these results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body can react in a unique way, so be realistic about your treatment and expectations. On top of that, there's something really important and interesting about this product that you need to know before you buy it, and it's that you can actually test Advanced Vision Premium out for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any reason, they'll give you your money back, so it's completely risk-free. Also, for Advanced Vision Premium to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You're gonna start to see initial results in the first month, but most people can notice better results after 3 months of using this product. Another important thing for you to know is that Advanced Vision Premium has absolutely no side effects, since its ingredients are 100% natural. And, most importantly, you don't have to worry because it's meant for people of all ages, so absolutely anybody can take Advanced Vision Premium, and keep in mind that it's approved by the FDA and made in a GMP certified facility. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website that you're going to buy Advanced Vision Premium from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously, for it to actually work. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism functions in a very unique way. But I really recommend that you do the treatment for at least 3 months in order to get better results. I really hope this video has helped you folks, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment below and I'll be glad to help you. Remember, if you want to purchase Advanced Vision Premium with a special discount, as I said, I'll be leaving the official web